Welcome back. Now, the Vigilance Team of Narcotics Control Bureau is set to record multiple statements in their ongoing probe into the extortion allegations in the Mumbai drugs bust case. The witness in the case who made the extortion bid allegation, Prabhakar Sail, has also been summoned to record his statement. Now, the NCB team may also apply in for the court for the permission to record another witness, Kiran Gosavi's statement, who is right now under arrest. The NCB team is also likely to visit the two areas where the alleged meetings related to the extortion bid took place. In fact, remember, just to remind our viewers, this particular vigilance team is probing allegations of extortion which have been leveled against their own officer, NCB Zonal Director Sameer Wankhede. And this particular explosive revelation came after one of the witnesses in the Aryan Khan case, Prabhakar Sail, made revelations and made these allegations against Sameer Wankhede. And after that, the vigilance team was formed to probe into these allegations and charges, and the vigilance team of Narcotics Control Bureau is totally in action today and is going to record multiple statements in their ongoing probe. In fact, we are seeing a whole list that they are going to summon and also record the statements of. In fact, Sandhya Gora is with us to give more details on this. Sandhya, good morning once again. First of all, if we talk about the vigilance team and their agenda, it seems like there is a lot on their plate as far as probe is concerned. What is going to be on their priority list today?
So, Gauri, at present, there are at least 3 probes which are going on when it comes to NCB and Aryan Khan case. Talking about the vigilance team, so this is an internal committee which has been set up by NCB. NCB's vigilance team is conducting this probe, is conducting this inquiry, and this is against all the allegations. This is for all the allegations which are leveled against Wankhede and the rest of the officers of Mumbai NCB. Now, talking about this vigilance team, the team was here earlier in Mumbai. They actually summoned Prabhakar Sail, a person who has come forward. In fact, it was for the first time on Mirror Now that Prabhakar Sail came in front of the world and claimed that how his boss, KP Gosavi, along with other people, was trying to get some money from Shah Rukh Khan's manager, Pooja Dadlani, in order to let Aryan Khan go. And he has claimed, Prabhakar Sail has claimed to listen certain phone conversations. He has said that at least exchange of 38 lakh rupees was done in front of him. In fact, he was asked to hand over the money by his boss. So those crucial claims were made by Prabhakar Sail. Last time, vigilance team did summon him, but he did not appear in front of the team. Now, again, Prabhakar Sail is supposed to be witnessed by the vigilance team of NCB. They're also going to call in more the other key role members of this particular story, whether it is Sunil Patil, whether it is Prabhakar Sail, all these people, other officials of NCB. So yes, their agenda for today is going to summon people, going to record their statement, and as I said, Prabhakar Sail is going to be an important witness for them. Now here comes another person who has played a key role, that is Sunil Patil. Now, whether it's BJP, whether it's NCP, whether it's NCB, everybody has a different story to tell about Sunil Patil. Now, what exactly Sunil Patil is going to tell the vigilance team, that is going to be important for vigilance team. So that's one probe here, Gauri. Apart from that, 2 other probes which are going on. Another team of NCB is already here in Mumbai. The team came on Saturday. That's this SIT, which is looking after 6 cases of Mumbai NCB, which were transferred to this SIT. And these are the cases which are being supervised by Sameer Wankhede. NCB is trying to claim that these are the cases with international links which are being transferred. But the fact that these are the cases for which NCB Mumbai team, including Sameer Wankhede, is under the scanner, is facing allegations of extortion, manipulating facts, fabricating evidence, tampering with evidences, manufacturing certain things in order to strengthen his case. These are the cases for which he and Wankhede and his team is facing all these allegations. So that fact cannot be overlooked at all, despite the fact that NCB can claim all it wants that it is only for the international links cases, because there is another circumstantial evidence related to this, Gauri. Nawab Malik, Maharashtra's cabinet minister, claimed a couple of weeks ago that he received a letter from anonymous NCB officials, and he has listed out 26 cases, which, according to that letter, according to that anonymous NCB official, were fake cases where Samir Wankhede, along with his team, tried to extort money, and that's why he framed these people related in those cases. Now, these cases which are transferred to the 6 cases which are transferred to the SIT here, some of these cases are also a part of that list of 26 cases. So NCB can claim all it wants that it's for the international links, but there is more than what meets the eye. Now, third probe which is going on, Gauri, is Mumbai SIT probe, where Mumbai SIT on the complaint of Prabhakar Sahil is investigating the allegations against Samir Wankhede and rest of his team, allegations of extortion. So 3 parallel probes going on right now, and all the action will be in Mumbai with 3 separate teams focusing on 3 separate aspects of the case. Actually, vigilance team of NCB and Mumbai SIT are going to more or less focus on the same thing, but 2 different aspects at least divided between these 3 probe teams. And as I said, this is going to be an action-packed day for NCB officials and Mumbai police officials for today.
Thank you, Sandhya, for sharing all those details. We will be tracking all the developments in this particular case.